Hey guys, welcome back. Now in 2019, when I decided to go on my natural hair journey, I said to myself, I am going to make this fun because I am not a patient person and I could not sit around waiting for my hair to grow, because for me that would have been like waiting for paint to dry. So what happened is that I went on the internet, found some hair growth trends like apple cider vinegar rinses, doing actual hair treatments with edible mayo, the shebe powder trend, fermented rice water, which I still use till today because it works, then biotin supplements, taking all kinds of biotin supplements, and a host of many other hair growth trends. Now what happened is that I was scrolling through TikTok about a few weeks ago and I found this video talking about using garlic, coffee and onions to do a potion that you apply to your scalp for about twice a week for 2 minutes, leave it on for 2 hours, then rinse it out. Now it promises to grow your hair 4 inches in a month, and I was like, let's be realistic. I am not a hairy person, so we are going to make this practical. Let's cut this down by half and expect 2 inches if I'm going to expect anything at all. And I was like, okay, let's do this. It was easy for me to do because I had all the ingredients in my house, and if peradventure you do not have them in your house, they are very affordable and easy to find. I also made a trailer for this. If you haven't seen this, cue the trailer.
And doesn't fall out. This is the best natural remedy for hair growth with just 3 ingredients. Firstly, we will need an onion. Peel it and chop it into small pieces. Onion treats hair loss, stimulates its growth, and strengthens hair follicles. Next, we will use 3 garlic cloves. Peel them and chop them into small pieces. Garlic stimulates hair growth in bald areas and helps treat dandruff. Place the onion and garlic slices in a saucepan and add a teaspoon of coffee and a glass of water. Coffee improves blood circulation in the scalp. Boil the ingredients for 4 minutes over low heat. Strain the ingredients through a sieve, and you'll have a vitamin-packed solution for your scalp. Transfer the solution into a spray bottle. Apply it all over your scalp, massaging it in for 2 minutes. Cover your hair with a plastic cap and let it sit for 2 hours. After this period, wash your hair as usual. For best results, use this mixture 2 to 3 times a week. Store this mixture in the refrigerator. Your hair will grow abundantly day and night without stopping.
This video was filmed on the 13th of March 2024, and at this time my hair was 16 inches long, sitting directly on my waist. At the end of 3 months, this is supposed to give me 6 inches of growth, which will take my length from waist to bum, honey. And if I actually am able to achieve what they said I will achieve, that is 12 inches of growth, that should be thigh length hair. Clap.